Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you the Comhomer ergonomic office chair here. This is a desk chair with 3D headrest and the lumbar support. Integrated coat hook design, foldable armrests, padded seat cushion, and it is possible to get a load up to 150 kilograms. It's always on the market in beige and in black available. We have here an adjustable headrest and a lumbar support. Do you suffer from neck tension or a back pain? This ergonomic office chair here comes with height and angle adjustable headrests and a multi-stage height adjustable lumbar support that adapts perfectly to our body shape and allows us to sit in a healthy posture position. And rectable armrest. Because the Comhomer office chair has a multi-level rocking function with adjustable tilt voltage. So we can find the ideal position for every situation, from concentrated workflow to lean back and relax. And we have a multifunctional backrest. These office chairs are equipped with an integrated non-slip cloth hook on the backrest, which this area is either for storing coats or bags and prevent clothing from dropping or peeling up on the back of the chair. And we have certified longerability because the SGS Class 3 gas lift has been tested on over 100,000 lifts to ensure long-term safe and trouble-free operation. The robust Bithmar, approved metal base, can be withstand a static pressure of up to 136 kilograms. And it comes with all what we need. The only thing is, we have to sit down or assemble it first, of course. But then we can have a seat and can rest, or we can have a workflow game by using such a chair. 3D headrest, folding armrest possibilities. The adjustable angle of the inclination is from 90 degrees to 135 degrees. We have a seat height adjustment, of course. We have a non-slip coat rack. Really cool idea, I think. A mesh seat cushion. We can have an adjustable lumbar support over a range of 4.5 centimeters. And it's always cool and optimal supported because we have a breathable mesh for maximum comfort, an elastic support that adapts to us and adapts to our body, fits tightly to the curvature of the spine. And sweat-free setting. That means no sweating, just fresh air and comfort while we have a seat. And an ergonomic backrest. We adapt to the natural curvature of the lumbar spine, distributes the pressure on the spine, and reduces the fatigue from sitting for a long time. 3D headrest, chair back, lumbar support, all in one chair. The height and the adjustable lumbar support effectively distributes the pressure on the lumbar spine area. So we have a multifunction backrest with integrated coat, hook, anti-slip grip points, and height adjustment and relaxed function. We lift the rear on the end of the lever to adjust the seat height. We can go up to lift it up. We press it down to go down. Tighten and loosen. Or a rocking resistant adjustment. By using a knob, we can have to tilt it. Really cool. And the SGS certified gas spring of Class 3 makes a good job to lift us up and make a good comfort while we're using it. We have quite rolling 360 degrees and a high load capacity 150 kilogram pike. This all comes to us by using the Come Homer ergonomic office chair with a desk chair with 3D headrest and a lumbar support. Integrated coat hook design and foldable armrest, a padded seat cushion, and a load up to 150 kilogram. In black or in beige on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.